Hi, this is from Sose University. There's a job opportunity for the development.net. The company name is VSA India Pvt Limited. The location is Punjab. The job description is utilizing Microsoft.net infrastructure to create software solutions that meet client requirement. And the qualification is degree in software engineering or similar MCA. The prior experience as an .NET developer, in-depth knowledge of .NET infrastructure, advanced proficiency in C Spark and MVC or Web API, and the capacity of using MS SQL or SSRS with easy. And the second technology is MongoDB. That's a .NET developer for the TekWissen company. The location is anywhere. The location is Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai, Noida. And it's a remote job. The experience needed is 2 to 7 years. The notice period must be immediate joining or within 15 days. And the must-have skills are both MongoDB and .NET Core developer who can design and develop modern web application, all stacks like UI, backend, databases, version of control, or server AIPS. And the third technology is senior .NET developer for the H-Town technologies. The location is anywhere. The responsibilities are understand development requirement from product owner, work with UX, designs and front-end development, lead of the finalization back-end development design. And the requirements are engineering degree or MCA, BCA with excellent and consistent of academic track record. Expected to have 3+ years of experience with the web and web API development using .NET Framework or .NET Core. And the fifth technology is .NET developer for the Tamcherry company, location of Thiruvananthapuram, that's Kerala. The main research of designing, implementing, and managing software programs, testing and evaluating new programs, identifying areas for modifying in the existing programs in subsequently develop these. And the candidates must have 5+ years of experience in full stack software engineering capacity and extensive knowledge in different program and script writing languages too, and logistic industry exposure highly advantageous. And the link will be given in the video description for these jobs, so you can apply that directly. Please subscribe to the Sose University channel for the more job details. Thank you.